All right, good Saturday morning. Thanks for checking out the Iowa update here, discussing the snow that will hit late tonight and through Sunday. So as we look at high temperatures today, it'll be in the 30s to the north, 40s to the south, and then by later on tonight here, we'll be getting down there in the 20s across northern Iowa, 30s across southern Iowa, and it's even going to get colder here after the snow does hit. So as we look at the energy potential here throughout the day on Sunday, I would say afternoon to evening time frame is where I would watch for maybe a heavier clip of snow across the northwestern part of the state here as we go through the day. So just something to mention. And that's kind of where I think we're going to see those heavier pockets of snow across the northwestern part of the state. So as we look at the forecast radar, I think everything's going to stay fairly dry throughout the day today. We're going to maybe see a few flurries up there near the Iowa-Minnesota border across northwest Iowa as we get into about 9, 10, 11 o'clock tonight. But I think things really don't ramp up until after midnight. You get into about 2, 3, 4, 5 a.m. here. We're starting to work in a pretty good clip of snow across northwest Iowa. And then as we go through 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then by about noon tomorrow, it slowly inches its way east into central Iowa here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then by 7 o'clock tomorrow night, you can see things trying to wrap up across northwest Iowa, but it's not until you get to about 9, 10, 11 o'clock here, and then another round is going to be hitting the northwestern part of the state here as it slowly continues to make its way farther to the east. This is by 12 a.m. Monday. You can still see a fair amount of snow across the state. We get into about 3 a.m. Monday. Things are tapering off across the northwestern part of the state, and then as we get into 6, 7 a.m. Monday morning, maybe a few snow showers still lingering across the central to eastern part of the state until you get towards about 9, 10 o'clock Monday morning and things are clearing out. So as we look at the temperatures throughout the snowfall event here, we're going to be looking at upper 20s, lower 30s as the snow is falling. So it's going to be kind of like a pasty snow starting off for some of us. And then as we get into noon on Sunday, again, upper 20s, lower 30s is really what temperatures are going to be doing while the snow is falling. But as you get into Sunday night and into Monday morning here, we're going to drop temperatures down in the lower 20s. So would watch for some slick roadways there as that snow is falling. But in terms of the snowfall forecast here, thinking generally a trace to 2 in the lighter blue, and then back across west to the northwestern part of the state, like I was kind of saying, 2 to 6 inches of snow is kind of what I'm thinking at this point. And also behind this, we're going to be looking at some cold air that will set in. Sunday night lows here, looking at teens across northwest Iowa, 20s farther to the southeast. And then on Monday night, we're getting down there in the single digits across northwest Iowa. But it doesn't last very long. We're actually kicking things back up. By Tuesday night, we're seeing temperatures back in the teens to lower 20s, and then things are actually going to start warming back up by the latter half of next week. So this is just a pulse of cold air and some snow. But that's all I have for today. Hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend.